Hi, I'm Carla from the IET, and today we're at Futurebuild. In May 2019, the UK government declared a national climate change emergency. Their target was to reduce carbon emissions by 80% by 2050. But since then, has anything happened? Is the UK closer to achieving their target? Today we're going to ask experts what they think. At this very moment, is the UK on its way to achieving net zero by 2050?
Probably not. No.
I'm saying yes because I'm an optimist.
No. No, nobody is.
I think there's still a tremendous amount to do and government has got to play its part, but I think the industry is ready to do it.
Do a lot more. I think the policy sort of solutions are in place yet to get us there, so I think the answer is no.
So to meet the government's climate change targets, around 26 million existing homes require radical energy changes. Is whole house retrofit the solution?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, definitely.
We can't demolish and rebuild 26 million houses. We can't manage to build 250,000 a year.
There's no other way to get rid of all that carbon unless you retrofit. You've got to get the gas boilers out.
And already we're not doing enough retrofit. I think it's something like one home needs to be retrofit every 2 minutes, but we should have done that about 5 years ago.
All the main parties at the election promised action. But does Brexit mean more retrofit paralysis?
Not necessarily.
If we've got the top minds in the country dealing with Brexit, we're not dealing with climate change. We're not dealing with policy. We're channeling funds in the wrong direction.
I don't think Brexit being here or not being here, I don't think has had a huge impact on where we are in the journey towards in terms of retrofit. I think there's quite a lot of work to do, and that we would still be in the same position today if Brexit had been remain.
Are companies doing their part? Are changes being made to meet net zero goals?
Some companies are, some companies aren't.
Ours are.
Yes and no.
A lot of the companies here are, but a lot of the large oil companies aren't. So it depends on the company.
And there's a lot of good examples here at Futurebuild of people that are actually doing it already. But we're going to need the legislation to bring the laggards up and get everybody working on this, which is what it's going to take to meet those carbon targets.
It is beginning. It's a revolution that's starting.
How about the government? Is the government doing their part?
No.
I would say yes.
I'm going to say no.
Yeah, not enough. They're all about saying what the problems are and putting up targets, and there's a bit between that's not really helping.
And the announcements are starting to come through. I'm really interested in what they're going to do about housing and energy and carbon reduction in homes and all buildings, in fact. But I'm going to say yes because I'm an optimist.
I think we had the policies in place, they took them away, and now we're on catch-up. And what we need is a really strong policy environment to get us there, and people need belief that that's going to stick around.
It's been a great day at Futurebuild, and we can definitely see a mixture of responses. But unfortunately, a lot of uncertainty. But what we all can agree on is change needs to happen, and now. To find out more information and see how you can get involved, visit us online at theiet.org.